Hi, it's David Gomm in the stained glass studio, and it's Christmas Day, and I'm filming this little bit of video as just sort of a kind of an introduction to the end of the year. Jeannie had 20 angels to build for a local store, and so
Okay, hey Jeannie,
here she is doing some of those.
what are you doing here?
Well, I have got an order for 20 angels. So I'm cutting out their little parts.
Really?
There are 20, actually 21 bodies, because one is white, so one's a little bit different.
Okay.
And so now I'm cutting wings, 20 left, 20 right, and then I'll need 20 heads. So I'll show you what they look like. So here you go. That's what they will look like when they're done.
Oh, I see. So on the wings, you've modified them so that it's just one piece of a wing instead of two pieces.
Yeah, I was making it too hard on myself.
Right.
Simplify.
Right.
Now we skip forward to some foiling.
So one nice thing about foiling is that you can do it while you're watching a Christmas show. And so I've been foiling these little angel parts, and I can do it down here while I'm watching TV. So here's what we've got so far. I just have a few more angel bodies to do.
And here we jump ahead to the completed projects.
So Jeannie, when you made these copper, what did you do? How'd you wipe down so many angels?
Well, I put some of this patina in a little bowl.
Yeah?
And just a little bit. Okay.
Well, they look so good.
Well, thank you. I put a little bit of copper patina in a bowl. Then I put the little angel in there and just swirled it around, turned it over, and swirled it around again. And
Okay.
that got the patina all over both sides. So that worked out. And then I sprayed it down with some Quick Clean to neutralize the patina.
Okay.
And then I got some Never Dull, just a little pinch of it, because the polish is in the cotton. And then I just went over every bit, and then I got a very soft cloth and just buffed and buffed and buffed until they were nice and shiny. And here we have a multitude of heavenly hosts.
Very good. I really like this. I remember saying something about teasing you that you were panning for copper.
Penny for copper. So Merry Christmas, and you can try these angels at home, or you can order some from me, but not this Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Then we skip ahead to do some stars.
Quite a number of stars here, and now they're in the kiln, and it's up to 1258 degrees, so it ought to be hot.
How far are you going?
We're going to
Didn't you write it down over there?
oh yeah, 1450. 1450, and then it's going to go up another 50 degrees to finish off. So here we go. We're going to look at them. We're going to sneak a peek here.
So we hope your holidays are fun and you join us next year.